Hi everybody. Let's go through our evaluation plan here, and there's going to be two things that I'm going to need from you. First, notice that this is the direct personnel, which examples include educational assistants. And this is a new plan from the summer, and I gave you a hard copy of this in August when we met for that day. Okay, so let's go through the year. First, what we're doing right now in September, October is you are going to complete the self-assessment and the goals form. So two things that you're going to give me. We're going to meet mid-year to go over your goals at the time, and then at the end of the year we're going to meet and I'll do a summative assessment with you. Alright, so the first part, you're going to go and review the rubric. I always say take a look at the category that says proficient. You're going to read through, make sure that you familiarize yourself with the rubric. And the sheet that you're going to turn in for me is the self-assessment form. So there's going to be a box that you're going to check. The 4 category is exemplary, the 3 categories proficient, the 2 categories basic, and the 1 category is does not meet standard. So when you come to this part of the sheet, it says 1A, carries out instructional support as directed by the teacher supervisor. Going to go up to 1A. Take a look at that job function. You're going to read through some of this language, and you're going to self-assess. You're going to give yourself a score of 4, 3, 2, 1 on where you think you fit in this category. Okay? So you're going to go through the whole rubric and do that. Please don't put something where like you put an X on the line, or like say like X minus or X plus. You've got to choose one. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to go through this whole category. That's the first thing that you're going to give to me. Second, you have to complete a goal sheet. It's a little more simplified this year. You're going to write a goal. It says, what domain and standard does this address? Okay. What it's really asking you to do is write a goal from this rubric. So for example, this is a domain, domain 2, and this is a standard working job knowledge. It wants you to pick something in this rubric that you want to work on and write a goal around that. So it may be like, okay, so for example, this is materials are prepared and ready ahead of deadline and takes initiative to prepare materials. Okay, so maybe your goal for this year is takes initiative to prepare materials. So in the goal section, you're just going to write takes initiative to prepare materials. Which domain and standard does this address? You're going to go back up, and the domain and standard is the domain of skills and abilities, and the standard is this 2C, preparation and maintenance of material and workspace. You're going to copy that into this box. Why did you choose the goal? Just a brief description of why. And how do you know when the goal is completed? And then what are you doing to complete the task? Just make a few little items on what you're going to do to complete the task. That's it. That's the whole goal sheet. Some of you have already turned this in. I'd like this by Halloween, October 31st. It's in a couple weeks. Use work time to do this. Okay, I'm going to let your teachers know that you may be needing a little bit of time to complete this. I think it's about a 20-minute task, maybe half hour, maybe less. These 2 sheets, what you can do is go to the office when you're done with those 2 sheets, put them in an inter-office mailer to me, Jeff Philly, at the district office, and they'll come to me. October 31st, thank you very much.